Okay, today we're out at the field. We're going to fly the a-10, the UMX a-10 right here, and maybe it's kind of windy, and maybe we'll do the citation also. We'll see how this flight goes, and it's very cold out. Okay, we're ready. Okay, we're going to launch it in stabilized mode, and then we'll switch it to regular. Okay, we get a 5-minute flight. We got an 850 milliamp hour battery in it, and she's ready. Here you go. Ooh, you can feel the wind. Whoa, she's really squirrely. Okay, we're going to get to the middle of the field. This is a great little plane. Haven't flown her in a long time. She's flying really good too. Beautiful turns. Wow, she's fast. Look at that turn. Very nice jet. This thing is phenomenal. See if we could do a loop. I don't remember what the switches were. We'll just do circuits because it's been a while since I've flown it. Nice, it did do a loop. What a great looking plane. This thing is excellent. A-10, UMX a-10. Wow, it's cold. My hands are freezing. Right at me. Great little flyer. I love this thing. Looks so great in the air. Everybody should have this thing. For a little 30mm jet, she is quick. This is only half throttle. Ooh, my hands are frozen. Okay, we have 1 minute left for a 5-minute flight. Coming for a low pitch. Very nice. could do some stunts with this thing, but my hands are too frozen. I can't move them. Okay, time to bring her up. Beautiful, beautiful plane. This thing is phenomenal. What an excellent looking jet, man. It even matches the ground right now. Perfect camouflage. Excellent plane. One of the best. It's an excellent plane. Ooh, it is freezing. My hands are frozen solid. Wow. Okay. What we're going to do is check that battery because I haven't flown this in a long time. So we're going to see what the battery is. Okay, it's not even hot. Shut this off. We are going to warm up our hands, my hands, before I do the citation. Let me see, I hope I bring, yes I did. Damn, it's cold. 28%, not bad.